Welcome back and welcome to the channel. And since you're already here, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life here with me, Katrina. Today I'm continuing my pre-fall cleaning, and this time it's the bathroom editions. Both bathrooms will have a neutral vibe for at least the next 2 weeks. So grab a cool or warm beverage, listen to the music, stay until the end. I mean the very end, because that's how you're going to help my channel to grow, family. Please and thank you. I'll talk to you in a few moments. Enjoy the music and enjoy the video. I would love to take this opportunity to introduce myself to you. My name is Katrina, and I love all things home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, and shopping hauls. If this is content that you're interested in, subscribe, like, share, and please leave comments below. I would love to meet you and chat it up down there. And just like that, well, no, not really. Sometimes it takes me 4 hours to film just to get 8 minutes of footage. So I really appreciate those of you who are still here and still watching. Thank you so very much. So thanks so much for stopping by the Johnson Ranch for another pre-fall clean and decorate with me. Are you following me on the community tab? Please make sure to stop by. You never know what I'm talking about over there, as well as following me on my other social media platforms, on Instagram and on Facebook at Priceless Pearl Life. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you in my next video.